Happy Monday. I just got a refill on coffee. I'm making some lunch. We spent this morning cutting some backing cards and making the mystery mail. And I'm about to start the rest of my work day. So I do have a 9 to 5, so I have some design work that I need to do. And then this evening, I have a sketch that I want to finish up. And I'm hoping I can. I'm also debating putting like a front card on the mystery mail so that it's like the surprise. So I want to go through all of my like plastic bags for mystery mail and then eventually order more like solid or opaque so that you can't really see through it when you open up the mail, so it's a little more of a mystery. So I might do that today. And then I might also start working on not February's but March's Patreon reward stuff. We also do need to start packing Patreon rewards because today is the last day, or will have been the last day, to sign up for the February rewards, which are super cool. I did go out and I got a transparent sticker because I thought it would look really, really cool on stuff. Some of the Patreon rewards were going into the mystery mail. It'll probably be that way for a little bit. I don't know if that's always going to be the case, but right now you might see some like little Patreon goodies snuck into the mystery mail while I still have like a decent amount extra. But I gotta get to work, so I'll see you guys later. I don't think VODs are set up automatically. I think you're right. Yeah, I don't think they're set up automatically. Yeah, I think you have to like turn them on. There's so much hail. Oh my goodness. I got my monitor. Oh, I got your monitor today. And a new work desk so I can begin putting together my setup. That's so exciting. Yeah, if you want to do any test streams, shoot me a message and I will hop in and I'll help you baby. Are you making a vlog?
Something like that.
You making a vlog?
Are you actually making a vlog? Oh, you think he's hungry? Is he gonna eat one? Is he gonna eat one?
I don't know.
Oh, hello.
There you go again.
They're going for my arm.
They were like, what a name this one boba.
What?
What a snack.
good.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty good.
Okay, so I have no idea when I talked to you guys last, but over the past few weeks, I've noticed that this space right here has become extremely dysfunctional. So as I am packing more orders, as I am doing more traditional art at my desk, whatever is happening here isn't working. So I think maybe today and like the next couple days, my goal is going to be to kind of organize everything behind me, try and find a home for like new packing supplies, larger scale prints. Stickers is a pain in the butt because any like organizer just seems to be like slightly too small to fit like a 3-inch size sticker. So I need to kind of like take everything off of the shelves and figure out the best location for everything and how it's gonna work moving forward because I am working with limited desk space. I think specifically I'm gonna look into a like monitor, what is it called? Like a monitor, like not like a stand, but where it like hooks to the desk. So that I can get the base of this off of the desk, push the keyboard under it, and give myself some more working room directly in front. So that's the goal. That's the goal. We're gonna see what happens. I'll keep you guys posted. So I got this cute little pink box in the mail from Made by Malin. Woo. So we're gonna go ahead and open this. I also have another order that I got from Ocean Hues that we're also going to look at, but I already opened that. But let's go ahead and open this up. Thank you for your support. Of course, also, is this not the cutest little like thank you card? Whoosh. Okay, ooh, what is in here? Okay, is this a keychain? Is this a keychain with a heart like clasp? Okay, hold on. We're opening. This is too cute. This is so cute. Look at that. Look at this little strawberry cat with a little heart clasp. He's precious. Okay, okay. I'm excited. Hold on. Okay, this one has little confetti in it. It's another one that I think also has a little heart clasp. Oh, too cute. Okay, so it's another one with a little like heart clasp. And then it's got a little strawberry on its head. Precious. And then it looks like we have 2 of her washi tapes. So we have the Loafing Around, which has little cat loaves of bread, and then Cat Village. So it's like, oh, look at this little cat mountain. These are too cute. And then it looks like we got 2 little packs of stickers. I am still dying over this. These are so cute. Thank you so much. Is there glitter in it? Stop. Stop. I don't know if I can get that on camera. Oh gosh, dang it. Okay, so the clear, the acrylic is, it has glitter in it. So during Ocean Hue's last shop update, I was able to snag a worm before they were sold out. I don't paint, but he's gonna hang out with me. He's gonna hang out. And then I also got like the matching worm tape. I've been looking into making some washi tape of my own. So these are great examples of kind of how to formulate and produce some really unique washi tapes. I adore this. This is fantastic. He's gonna hang out with me. And the world's cutest keychains from Made by Malin. Good morning. How are you guys? So I've gone ahead and I've kind of deconstructed these shelves and put them back together. I put my stuff back on the shelves, but between then and now, I did decide to stop selling 5x5 prints and start selling 8x8s and 8x10 prints. which means that I had to go online and purchase all new shipping supplies, which means everything on my shipping supply shelf is gonna have to come off, and I'm gonna have to put all the new products and like shipping supplies there. I also have that monitor riser coming in today, so we will be able to raise the monitor and push things back, which will ultimately give me some extra desk space to work with, which will be great. And then when I'm done, I can take you guys through the space a little bit.